Well, I'm trying to figure out where the screensaver picture was taken from. There are a few different possibilities. I kind of wish I'd printed up a picture of that screensaver and be holding up and standing next to that view as well, and have a picture of me holding up a picture of the screensaver picture. So you know, I don't have that picture with me and I can't remember it too well, so I'm not sure where exactly that picture was taken from and what precisely it is of. But you know, it's somewhere around here. Maybe it's where Lisa is presently sitting right now. Anyway, here we go. But as I said before in a previous video, this wavy bit that we're seeing now, it is only this bit here. It's not all the bit up there and up there and up there, and so it is just this bit here. And if you've never seen anything like this before, then you know, wow, this is great sort of thing. Oh, see that bird? It kind of looks like a raven or a crow. It just doesn't look like a condor though, even a small condor, unless that's what small condors look like. I don't know. But anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, so you know, if you've been to Bryce Canyon and Zion and Arches National Park and maybe the Grand Canyon, it is quite possible that the only bit of this that you'll find kind of really neat is this bit that I'm standing in the middle of right now. All these other bits around here, you know, most of it on the way back, may not impress you so much because you've seen it in other places. But if you haven't seen it in any other places and you've lived in a city all your life or wherever, in Tropical Island or something, then yeah, this is probably superb. Very superb. So, you know, there's a certain subjectiveness to all of this. Anyway, Lisa and I are going to have a bit of a snack and then we are going to head back. Okay, Gators, bye.